12 human species that once lived on Earth. Human evolution is like a branching tree, not a straight line. Over the past 7 million years, many human species lived on Earth. Some were our direct ancestors, while others were distant relatives that eventually went extinct. First, Sahelanthropus lived about 7 million years ago in Chad, Africa, possibly walked upright, one of the earliest known members of the human family. Next, Orin Tugenensis lived about 6 million years ago in Kenya. Evidence suggests early upright walking. Then, Ardipithecus ramidus lived about 4.4 million years ago. Known from the famous fossil Ardi, this species walked upright but also climbed trees. Fourth, Australopithecus lived for 2 million years ago. Famous for the fossil Lucy, this species walked upright but had a small brain. Fifth, Homo habilis, the toolmaker, lived 2.4 to 1.4 million years ago, one of the first humans to make stone tools. Sixth, Homo erectus, the explorer, lived 1.9 million, 110,000 years ago. First human to leave Africa. They were likely the first to use fire. Seventh, Homo heidelbergensis, lived 700,000 to 200,000 years ago, likely ancestor of Neanderthals and modern humans. Eighth, Neanderthals. Homo neanderthal lived in Europe and Western Asia. Very intelligent and strong, used tools. They also buried their dead. Ninth, Denisovans, the ghost humans, discovered from a tiny bone in Siberia, known mostly through DNA. They interbred with modern humans. 10th, Homo floresiensis, the hobbit humans, lived in Flores Island, only about 1 meter tall. 11th, Homo naledi, discovered in 2013, found deep in Rising Star Cave, may have buried their dead. Finally, modern humans, Homo sapiens, appeared about 300,000 years ago, developed language, art, and civilization. Today, we are the only surviving human species. Amazing fact, around 40,000 years ago, at least 4 different human species were alive at the same time.